Yes, good morning mga ka-friendship. See, this is my Loki or Upo in Philippines. Now, producing veggies. See, yeah. I cut the leaves of the eggplant. Now, too much flower. It produces flower. Yes. Have you see? Yes. See my chili starting producing veggies. Yeah. And there, this is coriander, not yet. And this is the another plot. I have lettuce, bitter gourd, onion leaves, bitter gourd, and the pot I make this bitter gourd tie in the big tree, aloe vera. And see my aloe vera, so big and have flower. And I'll show you my tomato. See? Oh. Yeah, that's only a soil, organic soil. See, I remove this, the leaves of the lady finger. I try to remove so they can bear more vegetable. See? All are lady fingers, no leaves. Even here, no leaves, but a lot of lady fingers. See, I remove all the leaves. So now they start producing all lady fingers, all vegetables, so that the nutrients goes to the producing vegetable. Before, too much leaves, I remove it. And see also this tomato, bunch of tomato. I remove also some big branch. Yeah, I remove. Now start producing more tomatoes. It's really what a technique for the plant to grow. Remove some branches. See this one? Oh, too much. Because I remove all branches also, because they feel it heavy. That's why I remove to produce more tomatoes. Start having flowers. Yeah. See, if I didn't remove, let's go to the other plot. Too much tomato in there. I will show you. Ooh. I'm surprised to my big Loki or Upo. And this is, oh, see? Before it's dying, now no. Too much. I make it slow moving. It's a little bit windy. But see, starting also. Let's begin here. See the tomatoes. It's windy. Spinach. That's it mga ka-friendship. Yeah, see? It's windy. A little bit cold. God bless. Keep safe. Hope everybody is healthy.